Hello, good morning. My name is Mahibudewali. So I'll be presenting my final project for visual programming. Let's get into it. For my reference, first we go to the reference first. So my artwork references is glitch art, more to the glitch art. I want to make some glitch art. How do I say? It's a glitch art, but a bit tweak on the art itself. So I'll be referring to this one. A slit scan, and a block tracking video. So most of my art actually oh yeah, this one. Yeah, since Tomo. This one is for NURBS curve for still block tracking. But this one is a bit interesting. I just find it. I just scroll it, and then I just find this video is quite interesting. Like the lines, the curve, the block tracking itself. So yeah, for the video references, these three most of the time that I watch. And let's get into my artwork. Okay, for the first one, this is called glitch slit scan. The first step is a movie file in, and then I put the feed, and of course change the resolution, and then pixel format. Then I put the noise to make and then I adjust the period, harmony, and etc. And then for this one, just like abs.time. Yeah, abs.time. This one is nothing, should not be here. And then I go to threshold. Then I adjust it to make the line. As you can see here, if I oh yeah, not here. Nice, yeah. I change the seat here. Yeah, I will change the line as well. So after the threshold, then I put a composite, and then null. Then I put a null, and then for the feedback, it just like to make it like feedback like how do I say this? Like this one. Yeah. So actually it have like three different effect, but this one just for me like playing around, so I don't like this much. Yeah, it's kind of look creepy for to me, so I like this one more. Yeah, so this is so simple, but I don't know why, but I like this kind of effect. This it's like give me some creepy illusion vibe. Like, yeah, if I press one key, yeah, it will, yeah. Plus the image that I find from Google, just like it's kind of perfect for illusion. And then after the transform, I put the composite, and then put it on over. And then okay, that's for my slit scan. For my okay, this is block tracking. This a normal block tracking. So yeah, first one is movie file in, of course, and then for the resolution, I just change it, put a cache, and then put the difference to track only the human, and then the blur, just for the effect, then a threshold, and then I put a constant. This one nothing much, just change the color. Okay, for the block track, I put a block track, and then open the info here. As you can see, the info here like UV width height. This is so many information going on around here, so I don't want to see all of this. So put a that too, and then put a mask, and then change the value here. This one is originally values and this one is name, so I'll just swap them. For this one here, I just put the operator now with, and yeah, I put the null here, then go around. Okay, for second one is let's go this first. Alright, this one is more like a tracing one. This one, as you can see here, I put a geometry, basic geometry, camera, the shape, and the render. Okay, this one I just put a line and then just change the color and then put it on the oval. Okay, that's one, and then two. For the mini, I don't know what it's called, but the mini circle effect, same geo render constant, but this one I put a circle instead of rectangle, and then I just put a map, and then level, just change the invert value, and then put an over to make it like this. Okay, this for the video, and this one is for the line. This one is more like a RGB effect. So what I do is I just put a rectangle and then put a geometry here, and then you can see that the rectangle here is kind of like zooming. Yeah, for the constant here, actually from here, GLSL, I think. Yeah, for this one is from for the type, I just change the color code here so that it will be like this one. I put a null and drag to the constant here, and then put on a render, and then add, and then just connect it to the remap. For the color of the line, yeah, as you can see here, just select one, and then I put the noise and then drag it to the splice, yes, and then I add a chop tool and change the, as you can see here, this one is so many ID, UV, width, height. I just want U and V, so change the scope, I just put UV, and then for the value here, we can just like 0 and 1, then it will be like this. To make it color, so I just put a line here, and then change the color. So if I change the yellow, it will become yellow, and then from here, from the line just now, and then should be the line first, and then this one, so that after we render it, after all, remap, I put a remap, and then put on over to make it like, you can see there, the square, the circle, the lines, all of that. And yeah, done for block tracking. This is quite interesting. I put another effect, not effect, just like color here, RAM, to make it look like a, what do you call it, sunset. Yeah, sunset, to make it more like a sunset vibe, 7 p.m. vibe, to make it more interesting. Yeah, that's all for block tracking, this one. Okay, for this one also, as As you can see, this one not complicated as the NURBS curve just now. So this one pretty straightforward. So let's start with the slit scan, shall we? For the slit scan, I just put a in for the movie file just now, and then I add a rectangle, transform, and then I multiply it. And for the feedback, I put a feedback, change it to the nearest pixel, and then transform. For the transform, I want it to be like up and down, so this one is up. So what I need it, just copy all of it, and then at this one just put a negative. So yeah, after all that, put on the composite and then put it over and then displace. Okay, this one is for slit scan. For the block tracking one, put a level and then null. This one just for information. Okay, after a block tracking, I put an info. So just like the NURBS curve, this one have UV also, but I want to make it like separated. So I separate this one to UV, width and height, and then put the depth to same, all of it, and then put a chop tool, and then two of this put on reorder. Then I change the pixel format to 32 bit float. Then I change the color to the green. This one not too much. Okay, let's go here first. Okay, this one is for U and V, as you can see here. So I merge together. Then I put a null to make it line here, to create a line like this, but this is just a line. So what I do, this one is render basic. You see it, geo, constant, camera, and circle. I don't use rectangle, I use circle. Okay, and then I put a render here, and then this is just for monitoring. Then I put a displace, and then composite to as like Photoshop to make it like combine. And then as you can see, I put this is my final art. Interesting. It's like up and down, and then the middle one is not moving much. This is the original video. So yeah, basically that's all. If I change it, this is like an illusion. Then you can just skip to the block tracking. It's kind of give for me, it gives me some kind of like creepy, not creepy, it's like it makes my mind give me headache a bit, because there's a lot of things going on around you, like an illusion. Simple but interesting. So yeah, that's all from me. So thank you so much. Bye.